It's a fresh controversy that's broken out. The Congress party now has found itself in the spotlight for its comments, with the Pakistani media quoting Congress leader Ajay Rai's Rafale toy story. The BJP has now hit back, accusing the Congress of aiding Pakistan's propaganda, calling them a Pakistani parasite party and accusing them of demoralizing the Indian forces with their statements. Now, the BJP has in fact hit out at the Congress party. Look at the visuals on your screens. This was the Congress leader Ajay Rai, who was yesterday holding a toy Rafale, and he was questioning the government. In fact, it also had lemon and chili, as he spoke about the puja that was conducted by the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. As he took the Rafales, the puja that was conducted, the Congress leader was making fun of the same and saying, when will the lemon and chili be removed, and when is it that the Rafales will actually be out? But the issue is that this politics is actually arming Pakistan. My colleague Sabyasachi is joining us on the broadcast with the details. But before that, I just want to break down, just to put things in context, how the Congress party has been unrelenting in what it has been saying. Now, look at what the Congress party CWC says. Remember, immediately after the Pahalgam attacks, the Congress party had said that we're going to pass a resolution, we're going to put up unity. This is a time for national unity. This was a claim that was made by the Congress party. But look at the contrast that you're seeing in what the CWC that was adopted, the resolution that was adopted by the Congress party says, versus what the Congress leaders have been saying. And it's not just one. There are multiple Congress leaders who have been making these statements, and they've been demoralizing our forces. The resolution may be calling for unity across the country, but these leaders are making these statements, and remember, not a single action has been taken against them. There is nothing more than mere rebuke in that as well. None of these leaders have actually been called out by the Congress leaders. A general statement was issued by some of the senior Congress leaders saying that it's unacceptable and that any of these party leaders should not deviate from the party line. But that has not stopped these leaders from making these statements, and now they've stooped down to even questioning the forces. Sabyasachi and Yawar continue to stay live with us. And Sabyasachi, as we were mentioning and as we've discussed over the last few days as well, nothing seems to be stopping the Congress leaders. They seem to continue to not just question the government after claiming that it's a time for national unity, but now they've also come down to questioning the forces. And this has clearly boosted Pakistan's propaganda that it has been trying to talk about, and which is why Ajay Rai's statement on Rafale in particular has been picked up by Pakistan.
Well, that's right. Time and again, Congress leaders' statements are being picked up by the Pakistan. And clearly, the statement that has come up from leaders like Mr. Siddaramaiah, the Chief Minister of Karnataka, as well as Ajay Rai recently, aligns with the narrative of the Pakistan. Now, time and again, we had seen that several of the Congress leaders have given a statement which does not match with the party line. In fact, in the past, the Congress party had issued strict guidelines to all its spokespersons, leaders and functionaries to stick to the party line and not deviate from that. And if any leader deviate from the party line, then strict action will be taken against them. But it seems that these are just mere words from the Congress party, because Priyanka Gandhi Vadra even reshared the letter which was written by Mr. K.C. Venugopal. Because after that letter was written, we had seen that time and again the Congress leaders are giving controversial remarks, and the BJP has hit back at the Congress party, stating that the Congress party time and again is trying to demoralize the sentiments of the armed forces. In fact, whether it is Charanjit Singh Channi, the former Chief Minister of Punjab, asking for the proof of the surgical strike. So there has been no strict action from the Congress High Command as far as these statements are concerned. And time and again, whether the statement of Siddaramaiah or whether the statement of Ajay Rai, this has been picked up by the Pakistan as it supports their narrative.
Absolutely. And Yawar, tell us why this could be dangerous, because this narrative that we are seeing from some of the Congress leaders